Hi, I'm Anthony, and this is Olivia, my helper. And this is Ready, Smile, Bake. Today, we are going to make Snickerdoodles. The first step is we need to wash our hands.
That was wet.
Now you gotta dry your hands.
Yeah, you do that. Okay, so we're going to start with the dry stuff. And we already have the flour, 2 3/4 cups. Next, we're going to add 1 teaspoon of tartar sauce, or cream of tartar sauce. Then we need 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Next, we're going to need 1 teaspoon of pure baking soda. And a pinch of salt. If you have leftover salt, just put it inside the sink. I give my sister Olivia this fork and give it a little mix. Here you go. And then I put the butter, which I already put, 1 cup. Then I add 1/2 of sugar. And then I put it slowly. Oh yeah. But first I gotta roll this. Then I mix it slowly. Okay, so now I got it down because the butter's stuck. Make sure you have a spatula on you, and then you take the butter out of this part. If it doesn't know, you stab it. Okay, so then we leave it right on here. Oh no. Here, and then pick it up and mix it. Because it's green, but you need to add a couple more ingredients. And so you would just have to take this out. Okay, and then we add 2 eggs. Here's the tip. Make sure to put it on the side where there's more room.
How much is that?
1 teaspoon. Okay, so, and don't forget it's 1 teaspoon. And don't forget to close it if it falls. Okay, so now, you turn it up and mix it. And hey, look, Olivia's done with the flour. Can you hand it to me, please? What makes it delicious is that you want the flour barely into the butter. Don't put it all on one scoop. And then we grab the stuff that's in there. Wow, which is easy. Okay, so you put it there. And then we turn this and let's mix. Put the stir first so the powder won't come out. Then you can put a little higher. Then a little higher. Now you put a little bit more. Then you do it again. Wait. Okay, so it's done. You don't want it to get overmixed because that will make it flat. After you take all of it out from here, you get an ice cream scooper. It'd help if you don't have one, just use your hands. And so after we do this, we're gonna need 1/3 cup of sugar and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Okay, then you mix it. After we're done with that, you gotta make the balls evenly. Roll it 2 times and put it in here. Roll it until everything's brown, or like everything's covered in the sugar. And then we're gonna make another until the tray's full. If there's still more, get another cookie sheet. So after we get all of it, I didn't explain why we have to make it even so it bakes at the same time. Try to make it even. And after you make it even, if you want, put it in the fridge. And if you put it in the fridge for a longer time, it gets puffier. Okay? So let's put it in the fridge. I don't know where the assistant is, but we're doing an experiment. We put this one not in the fridge and this one in the fridge for 15 minutes. We're going to see how it's different from this one being in the fridge for 15 minutes, this one not being in the fridge. And ask your adults to help put it in the oven at 350. 8 to 10 minutes. It's a little too big, but it's fine. It'll probably taste delicious. So yeah, make sure
Make sure you like and subscribe.
And watch our next video.
video.